If you are looking for a simple video editor that actually gets the job done without a steep learning curve, Movavi is probably on your list. But is it really worth it in 2026, or should you go for something else? Let's break it down quickly. What is Movavi? Movavi Video Editor is a beginner-friendly video editing software available on Windows and Mac. It is designed for people who want fast results without dealing with complicated tools like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Ease of use. This is where Movavi really shines. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to understand. You get a timeline at the bottom, media on the top, and all your tools clearly visible. Everything works with drag and drop, so even if you are new, you can start editing within minutes without watching long tutorials. Key features. Here are the most important features. Basic editing tools: cut, trim, split, crop, and rotate. Transitions and effects. Ready-to-use filters, animations, and titles. AI tools: background removal, motion tracking, and noise reduction. Built-in media library. Sound effects and stock clips. Screen recorder, great for tutorials and YouTube content. It is not overloaded, but it covers everything most beginners need. Editing workflow. One thing worth mentioning is how fast the workflow is. You can import clips, drag them to the timeline, add transitions, and export, all in just a few clicks. There is no complicated setup, and most tools are one-click actions. This makes Movavi perfect if you want to edit videos quickly without wasting time. Performance. Movavi performs well on most mid-range computers. It runs smoothly for basic projects, and rendering speeds are decent compared to heavier software. It feels lightweight and responsive. However, if you are working on large projects with lots of effects, you might notice some lag. Export and formats. Exporting is simple and flexible. Movavi supports popular formats like MP4, AVI, or MOV. You can also export videos optimized for platforms like YouTube. There are preset options, so you do not need to mess with complicated settings. Just choose and export. Pros. Here are the main advantages. Very easy to use, clean and beginner-friendly interface, fast editing workflow, lightweight and smooth performance, affordable compared to Pro Tools. Cons. Unfortunately, nothing is perfect, and we also have downsides. Number one in the downsides is limited advanced features, not suitable for professional editing. Some effects require extra purchases. Free version adds a watermark. Pricing. Movavi offers a free trial, but your videos will include a watermark. The paid version is either a one-time purchase or a subscription. Overall, it's budget-friendly and a good entry-level option. Movavi versus competitors. Compared to other editors versus Premiere Pro, for example, much easier but far less powerful. Versus CapCut, similar simplicity, but Movavi feels more stable on desktop. Versus DaVinci Resolve, easier to learn but missing advanced tools. So it sets right in the beginner to intermediate category. Who is it for? Movavi is best for beginners, YouTube doing simple edits, students and casual creators, anyone who wants quick results. Not ideal for professionals or advanced editors. Final verdict. So is Movavi worth it? If you want a simple, fast, and easy to use video editor, then yes, it's a great choice. But if you are aiming for high-end editing, you will likely outgrow it. And that is all for Movavi review. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, mention your friend, or share this video to a friend of yours that wants to learn editing for free. Subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. Thank you so much and have a nice day.